Gates open, they're up and racing. Blitzkrieg jumps for your lead. Moving up is Carmelita. Reporter running by the rail. Is sneaking in down on the inside is Bombardier. As they lead the straight, we have Carmelita takes command. Bombardier is in second. Blitzkrieg running in third, running by the rail. Simply Strong running on the outside. Peep Reporter. Cool and Flashy comes next. Next in line is Shifty. Is sneaking in down on the inside is King's Crown. Santos Santito. Rebaldo running third last, second last. Mogul and Incorruptible is running at the tail of the field by about 10 to 12 lengths of the leader. Heading towards the last 800. Carmelita by about a length and a half. Bombardier getting closer in second, down in third. Reporter, Simply Strong dropping back in fourth. Pass approaching on the outside is Blitzkrieg. Santos Santito down in sixth, running in seventh. Shifty running by the rail. 8 King's Crown alongside. Down in ninth is entry number 9, and that's Rivaldo, followed by Cool and Flashy in 10th. 11th Mogul and Incorruptible still running at the back of the pack. As they turn for home, no change with the leader. This one, Carmelita, back to 3 lengths lead. Santos Santito moving up by the rail. King's Crown, Shifty and Blitzkrieg with the last 100 meters more to run. Carmelita by about 3 lengths, followed by Santos Santito. Blitzkrieg moving up, and finally Carmelita, Blitzkrieg, Santos Santito, King's Crown, and Shifty. For your pentapecta, then comes Bombardier, Simply Strong, Mogul, Reporter, Ribaldo, Cool and Flashy, and Incorruptible.